The appointment of Stephen Mutamba as the new Police Commissioner General was long coming. It has been an open secret since 2018 that President Mnangagwa preferred him to take the position and was going to install him ultimately. Sanabena mashoko vanhu vabuda vataura vachiti aiwa the appointment yakaitika kuna Stephen aiwa is the new Police General iyi nhau yakanga yakangomirira yakanga ingori awaiting. Sanabena mashoko amuda nyiko panapa kuti subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Continue on the news of Samudani Rachiti. He is a close Mnangagwa ally. Mutamba replaces Tadabantu Godwin Matanga, who has been Commissioner General since 19 December 2017, but is only there temporarily. Matanga will remain in charge until 31 December 2024. He had taken office after the removal of Augustine Kivori following the November 2017 coup. Matanga was officially appointed as Commissioner General on 12 February 2018. He joined the police in 1982 and previously had been Deputy Commissioner General since 1992. Mutamba was reassigned from crime to operations in 2019. On 6 January 2021, Mutamba was reassigned Matanga from operations to administration. In 2022, Mutamba was put under United States sanctions for his role in undermining Zimbabwe's democratic processes and institutions. Ndo mashoko anobuda awa as a history yevakomana vaviri ava yatikuna panguva inoyi vanhu zvavo pavakaona kuti aiwa muna 2018 aiwa Godwin Matanga pakaisiwa aiwa vanhu sezvaingoziva kuti aiwa he is Chiwenga loyalist. They knew it kuti mukomana uyu angoripo aiwa for temporary zvavazova evident zvazoprovika muchiona achizonzi aiwa musi 31 December usiya matomu zvake. Tunze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.